Fossil records of dinosaur bones from all over the world show the amazing diversity of dinosaur life. But what of their muscles? This iguanodon foot bone shows rough patches where ligaments and muscle tendons were attached. Many other dinosaur bones show scars where tendons and muscles were attached and give vital information on how the muscles worked together. Using this information, simulations of dinosaurs with muscles can be produced, like this one of a brachiosaurus. Giant carnivores such as megalosaurus probably sprinted after their prey over short distances. And this model shows the well-developed and powerful muscles in the thigh area for that purpose. Similarly, herbivores like Hypsilophodon must have been able to run away from predators. And so powerful thigh muscles must have been useful to them too. In addition, fast-running dinosaurs had light, hollow bones, similar to those of some modern-day herbivores. Here, this Dryosaurus bone shows the internal chambers characteristic of gazelle or deer bones. The brain of the Stegosaurus weighed only 70 grams. It was once considered that such a small brain could never have adequately controlled a body of over 2 tons, and that a swelling located at the base of the dinosaur's spine must have been a second brain, to assist the one in its skull. However, it's clear that this swelling was just a large junction box, where the nerves ran out from the spine. Throughout the reign of dinosaurs, the Earth's climate was much warmer than it is today. In the Triassic, the indoor temperature was all the year, with very little change in the from season. There were no polar ice caps, and the climate got even hotter and drier toward the end of the Triassic.